Hello, welcome to our podcast. One-time event. It's going to be a huge deal. We're your hosts. I'm John Danis. This is Adrian Cabral. Say hi,
Yes,
Adrian.
I'm Adrian. Well, hello.
All right, so we're going to be talking about black holes because they're cool. All right, 10 fun facts you didn't know about black holes. Adrian, did you know you can't directly see a black hole?
I did know that.
Yeah. Do you want to know why that is?
Sure, tell me.
It's because the gravity of a black hole is so humongous that not even light can escape it. It's insane. All right, fact number two. Did you know that the Milky Way probably has a black hole in the center of it?
Yeah?
Yeah, pretty crazy, crazy stuff, right? You know, yeah, it says here on the website, but don't be alarmed. Earth isn't in danger. The major black hole that astronomers believe to be within our Milky Way is light years away from Earth. Dun dun
This is
dun.
from the University of Maine.
I suppose it is. All right, Adrian. Um, yeah, so it's believed by scientists that everything in the Milky Way orbits a supermassive black hole in the center of it. I think a general misconception about black holes is that like they're just the vacuum cleans in space. Everything gets
Right.
sucked into them. That's not true. They're just
They don't
sources of
suck.
gravity. And while it's true they have a thing called the event horizon, anything that passes that event horizon is lost forever. As long as you're outside the event horizon, you could live next to a black hole and be fine. As long as you're orbiting it, it's whatever. And that brings into the whole stuff about general relativity. You ever seen the movie Interstellar? It was like, oh, this
Oh,
little
yeah.
movie is going to cost us 27 years. You know what I'm saying? Don't
Did you explain,
don't do that.
did you talk further on the event horizon?
Yeah, so the event horizon, Adrian, is a point where the gravitational mass, or the gravitational force is so strong that not even light can escape it. And that's a big deal because light is the only thing in the universe that doesn't have mass. And so it's believed, so because light doesn't have mass, the fact that light itself can't escape it is just mind-bogglingly insane. Like you actually have no idea. Like just think of how the most insane thing you've ever thought about, and then forget about it because it's not light. It's stupid. Yeah. So does that answer your question, Adrian?
I think so. Does
Yeah.
that mean that nothing could ever escape the black hole?
Yeah. Nothing. As far as we know, there's nothing in the universe that can escape a black hole once it's hit the event horizon. Again, before the event horizon, a black hole is just another source of gravity, just like Earth or the sun. But yeah, it's
So
crazy.
can we take a step back and explain how black holes form in the first place?
Yes, very good. Yes, we should do that. Okay, so uh, most black holes are created by suns. When a sun dies, they go to supernova, and eventually supernova collapses in on itself under the weight of its own gravity, and the gravitational force becomes so strong that not even light can escape it. So I think there's a common misconception that that a black hole is just nothingness, but that's not true. A
Right.
black hole exists. It is something. It's just so the gravitational force is just so strong, light can't reflect off it. But people forget that what we see is just light reflecting off of something.
Mhm.
When you look at that basketball outside, light is reflecting off the basketball. Orange light is reflecting off of it and back into your eyes, and that's why you can see an orange basketball. But
So because light can't reflect off a black hole, you can't see it.
yeah, it's just blackness. So, but there is something there. It is a sun. It's just the mass is so great that you have to create that there's a black hole there now. Yeah, according to this website, the University of Maine, another, like the third other fact from black holes, that dying stars lead to stellar black holes. The little paragraph they put underneath it reads, "The death of large stars leads to black holes because the star's gravity will overwhelm the star's natural pressure that it maintains to keep its shape. When the pressure from the nuclear reactions collapses, gravity overwhelms and collapses the star's core, and the star's other layers are thrown off into space, and this process is known as a supernova. The remainder of the core collapses, a spot overcome by density and without volume, a black hole." I can definitely tell it's written by physicists because it really wasn't written by an English major. So,
A spot overcome by density and without volume.
that is
The
That
black
is
holes have
nuts.
no volume?
I don't know. Maybe. Okay, I'm just gonna skip ahead. We're coming up on time here, but the first black hole wasn't discovered until X-ray astronomy was used. Well, that's fact number 6. Cygnus X1 was the first black hole discovered in the 1960s and is 10 times more massive than the Sun. That is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, if you ask me. All right, we're at our time limit now. Not really, but we don't really want to go above and beyond on this project. Just trying to pass. So this has been great. We're your hosts. I'm John Danis. The other guy's Adrian Cabral.
That's
The
right.
name of our podcast is Black Holes and Stuff, in case we didn't say that at the beginning. And yeah, Dr. Jorge, please give us a good grade. Thank you.